What's going on, everyone? This is Vince from Life with Vince Luu. Just got done with my workout, and as you can tell by the title of this video also includes the first impressions of the Nike React Milers. I'm gonna put timestamps in this video, so if you wanna fast forward to that, if that's why you came to this video, go ahead and fast forward. I won't take it personally. Exercise for the day, was able to go on an easy 6-mile run this morning in my new Nike React Milers, and actually today I only did the first impression video on the Nike React Milers and not also the Peg 37s. I will be saving the first impression video for the Peg 37s for tomorrow, on the advice of my friend Dane, because he was right. It doesn't really make sense if I run 3 miles in one shoe, come back, put the other shoe on, and then run the other 3 miles, because it might cloud my judgment for one shoe or the other or both. So I'm gonna throw the map of my run up here, splits up here, legs are feeling good, feeling strong. And then after the run, I did the run in the morning, and then right now it's the afternoon, just got done with my lifting session, ended up doing barbell bench, was supposed to do 205 5x3, because last week I completed 185 5x5, up the weight to 205, and as I was doing the first set, I only got up 2, and I felt like if I went down for the third one, I might not make it. So I only ended up doing 205 for 3 sets of 2 reps. Next week when I bench again, I'll be moving the weight down. I think a 20-pound jump is a little bit too much. I'll be moving up to 195, so instead of 20 pounds, it'll be 10 pounds, and then I'll be starting over at 195 5x3. And after that, I was like, you know what? It's been a while since I did a one hang max pull. And I was like, oh, should I do it? Should I not? Because I did do body weight times 3 sets of 27 reps yesterday. So I was like, you know what? I feel good. I really want to do my one hang pull-ups just to see where I'm at. Ended up doing my one hang pull-up, and I'm going to put the video right here. So boom, 36 body weight pull-ups, and whoa, I did not know that I can do that many. Honestly, I was just aiming for 33, maybe 34, especially since I did those pull-ups yesterday as well. And the last time that I did a one hang max body weight pull-up attempt was on May 6th. So less than a month ago, I hit 31, and today, 29 days later, I hit 36. So I am super happy about that, because my goal was at the end of the year, I wanted to hit 38 to 40, because my big goal is to hit 50 in one hang. So I might be hitting 40 plus by the end of the year. So I'm super happy. And also, if you can hear the song in the background, it's The Greatest Showman, Hugh Jackman. I don't know why, but that song pumps me up. So let's get into the first impressions of this shoe right here, the Nike React Milers. I did take it on a 6-mile run this morning, and the first thing I do want to say that as far as my baseline, for the past 2 years, I've only really been wearing 2 pairs of shoes. The first one being the Peg 36s, and the second one being the Nike Trail Terra Kiger 5s. So everything in this video is from the vantage point of me comparing the Nike React Milers to these 2 shoes, because really that's all I know. And the first thing is the look and the aesthetics of this shoe. For me personally, when I'm looking for a running shoe, I don't want anything that's too crazy as far as the design on the shoe. I do like bright colors, but for me, the design on the shoe itself, I want it to be kept pretty simple, and this shoe fits the bill for me. I'm a fan of this colorway, the gray, the black, and then also the lime green. The lime green is also a reflective material, so I do run at night from time to time, so I do appreciate having that reflective material in. And this shoe, however, right now on the Nike website, it only comes in 4 colorways. It comes in this color, a white and blue, a black and white, and then a black and red. You can, however, make your own like custom design with the Nike ID, though I wish they just had more standard colors, because if they had like a red or an orange, I probably pick those colors over this one, though right now I'm happy with this colorway. A little bit more about the shoe, and I am a size 8.5, was able to weigh one of the shoes, and it came in at 294 grams or 10.37 ounces. It also comes with a 31 millimeter heel with a 10 millimeter drop, so the forefoot ends at 21 millimeters. In comparison to the Nike Trail Terra Tigers and the Peg 36s, I'm gonna put their stats up here. This shoe is actually pretty heavy, and the heel is actually really thick than what I'm used to, and it really showed when I went out on a run. As I put the shoes on in the morning, I noticed that the shoes fit pretty well. They were snug, they were true to size, and overall just a good, comfortable feel on my feet. And then when I went out on that 6-mile run, the first thing that I noticed was that the shoes felt really heavy. And I think this is just something that I'm not used to, because the 2 other shoes that I have been wearing for the past 2 years are a little bit lighter. Though these shoes just felt heavy, I felt sluggish, I felt slow, and I felt that I needed to pick up my feet just a little bit higher so that I don't scrape the bottom of my foot on the surface that I'm running on. So I don't know if it's just in my mind, but I feel that I had to exert just a little bit more energy to pick up my legs, and overall I just felt slow, felt sluggish. I think this just comes with the territory, and this is just how the shoe is built. Though on the other side of it, I also felt very safe. The shoe itself is so cushioned with the 31 millimeter heel and the 21 millimeter front. I just felt very safe. And at one point I said to myself, it kind of feels like I'm running on pillows, and overall it just gives me that peace of mind. And a lot of the surfaces that I run on my normal loops, on my normal day, isn't necessarily just one type of surface. It's dirt, it's gravel, it's pavement, it's sidewalk, it's a little bit of everything. And today when I went out on that 6-mile run, I encountered pretty much all of the above. And these shoes held up pretty well, especially on the cement. They're not a trail shoe necessarily, so when I was hitting the gravel and when I was hitting the dirt, there was just a little bit more slippage. And granted, I think they still work well in gravel and dirt. It's just when I compare it to the Nike Trail Terra Tigers, it's not as much of a gripping effect, because the Nike Trail Terra Tigers on the bottom, there's a lot of like ridges, and they're just able to grip it a little bit better. Though overall, I still think this is a good shoe for the different types of terrain. As far as how these shoes were built, they seem pretty sturdy and that they're going to be durable. Seems like it's good materials. I mean, I'm no materials expert, but it seems like a good quality shoe. And then on the inside, it also says Nike React Miler Trust for Miles. So if Nike says it, it must be true, or you get your money back probably. So yeah, I'm super excited about this shoe. I'm excited to put more miles in. I think they will break in pretty well as I put more miles in. It's only going to get more comfortable. Hopefully they feel lighter. And right now the price point is $130. You can get it on the Nike website. And yeah, I'm excited to see how these will hold up, to see how my legs feel. And really, when I was looking for a shoe, or like this new shoe that I'm gonna buy, I was really looking for a workhorse shoe, something that I can put in miles day in, day out, that's going to like prevent me from getting injured. And this feels like the solid shoe to do the work. Yeah, it's a little bit heavy, though that also means that it's more protection for me. That's the way I like to view it. So I'll let you all know in the review video to come, probably in a few weeks. So thanks for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed that video. Let me know down in the comments what you think below on the Nike React Milers, on my workout today, on my run. And let me know if you have any questions for me. Would love to hear from you all. And also let me know if you have any requests as far as questions, as far as what you want to see in my videos. I do have a few questions and video requests that I will be working in the next couple days. So don't worry, I'm going to get to those questions and I'll make sure to incorporate it into my daily vlog. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Please give this video a thumbs up. It really helped me out. And if you want to catch another one of my videos, there's a video here, there's a video here, and there's also another subscribe button right here. See you all tomorrow.